Now let's check out some gift and stocking stuffers for everyone in the family, even the fur kids this holiday season. Don McCarthy of Don's Corner is here with more. Thank you for joining us.
I'm so excited. It's December. The countdown is on. We're just weeks away here from the holidays. So.
Okay, so this is a must. We need to talk about stocking stuffers and gift ideas. So what do you have first? Something that's great for traveling, right?
Yes, because I'm on a plane at least 3 times a month. And so this is COCOON USA. And if you don't know about them, this is for the traveler in your life. You're going to absolutely love it. I've got the Hyperlight pillow, I've got some eye shades, and I even have a travel blanket that they do with recycled bottles. But everything, if you look down there, fits in those little pouches because I tend to overpack as a female.
Right, me too.
And I can never put stuff in, so they're really cute, really little, like everything comes in a really nice packing cube. These pillows here, they even have a pillow, they have lumbar supports on their website. They literally took only 3 breaths to blow up that pillow. And then they've got an easy deflate. They've been around for a long time. And again, it's a game changer. Anybody that does any traveling in your family or anybody that's a traveler, please, please go check out COCOON USA. They've saved me more times than I can even tell you. And again, some of these are $19.99, under $35.
Great deals.
Yes.
You know, I need this pillow in my life because I never want to bring a pillow on the plane because I don't want to lug it around.
Exactly. And this does it. And I'm obsessed with their lumbar support because I'm so short, my feet don't touch the ground. I always need that extra support behind my back.
Okay, this is a great gift for the traveler in your life. So now we have a few items for our furry friends.
Yes, which we both have. I've got a Josie and you have?
Mylar.
And so this is from Clifford Pet Treats. And what I love about this is the classic Clifford the Dog. And this is distributed and manufactured by Jack and Pup. And as she's seen, every dog loves the squeak. It crinkles.
Look at the ears.
Look at the ears. It's a must-have. It's got a tug rope so you can play tug-of-war with your dog. I love this. It's basically, I put this in my dog's stocking because, yes, I am that person whose dog has a stocking at home. I absolutely love it. And again, this is distributed by Jack and Pup. And this is one of their newest items. This is just being released for the holidays, and you just have to grab this for your dog. I mean, my dog is obsessed with toys that just move around. What about your little one?
You know, I love it though because Clifford the Red Dog is nostalgic. Like, he's been around forever.
Absolutely, and it's just iconic. You know who exactly this is. I think people are going to have more times with their kids probably trying to grab
instead of the dog. I know, I would play with this one too. Okay, what's this? Super cute.
This is Babyless, and what I love about this is the CONAIRPROPET Pro. So this is the GoodBone Treat Maker. So now you too can make dog treats for your dog. So this is just kind of a way to spoil your pet. And this is really, these recipes that are in this card were created by Cuisinart recipes. And basically it makes 6 bone-shaped treats for your dog. But you can kind of alter the ingredients if you need to. Maybe your dog wants a little bit more pumpkin or something like that. So I actually have one of these. It's brand new to the market, and it actually even made Oprah's pet edition of the O list. Did you even know she had an O list for pets?
She has a list for everything.
She does, and this is one of them that is on it this year, so you need to check it out. It's under $30. This is kind of a little, I'm going to do gift bags for all my dogs' fur friends and their parents and stuff like that, and it's a great treat idea to just, again, throw into their stocking, because that's what this is all about, something that's really nice and easy. And again, I mean, you can't go wrong. Look at how cute these little dogs are.
But you know what I love about this too is that you can make this with the kids, like an activity for the kids to do for their dogs.
Absolutely. And look how small it is. I'm always sometimes worried with big kitchen appliances. This is so small. You can do it everywhere. And again, like I said, being a fur mom, I love gifts like this. So if you're wondering what to get me, I mean, maybe on Oprah's list, I think I'm going to put it on my list as well.
All right, noted. Okay, so we have treats for the dogs. What about a snack for us humans?
Well, this is from Old Trapper. And what I love about them, they're the actual 2nd largest beef jerky company in the world.
In the world.
I don't know if you knew that. So it's a family-owned business with over 50 years of being around making smoked beef jerky. And again, these are great stocking stuffers, as you mentioned. They've got beef jerky, old-fashioned, teriyaki, peppered. But they also have, what I'm loving, is a 0 sugar option.
Oh, that's a must these days. Jerky. Yeah, because some people are watching their figure and their weight and diabetes and all the good stuff.
And I sometimes try to watch my sugar like once a month or whatever like that. I'll try to do no sugar for 1 week and really cut back on it. But you're still getting your protein. So if you're out doing winter activities, maybe you're skiing, maybe you're out shopping, and you kind of just want something to keep you going, this is a great protein snack to go to. And again, I mean, who doesn't love beef jerky?
I love beef jerky. But you know what else I love? this little kit that you brought here. Look at this.
Yes,
so cute.
This is City Bonfires, and I hope no one's watching from my home because everyone on my list is getting this this year. So this is City Bonfires. These are their S'mores Night Packs, and it's the perfect gift for anyone and everyone. And basically, it's about a night of s'mores. Everything comes in this little pack. It was created by two guys during the pandemic, some dads, that came up with this product. It's portable. It's really easy to gift. I love it because it's, you know, it's under $35 also. It's a really great price point, but it comes with the marshmallows, the graham crackers. It has the skewers, and it literally, the bonfire flame that it lights up is absolutely amazing because, you know, sometimes you want coworkers and you're not really sure what to get them. This is something that works for everyone. That can go out for a night with it, or you can do it with your kids, and it's portable and it's easy to travel with. So I love it.
Genius idea, Dawn.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for bringing all of these items. You are helping all of us out this holiday season.
I'm glad I can do my job.
And if you guys want to find out more about these products and learn more, go ahead and visit donscorner.com. Thanks.
Happy holidays.
All right, guys, that's all the time we have for today.